Hello internet people, I am Ray from Believe in Fate, and you are watching Boston Defy. Cue the music.
Say I'm jaded, thinking I done made it. Music on the radio so overrated. These stay faded, my mind created. Tell me who the greatest man, it's always debated.
What's going on YouTube? It's Boston Defy here. I've been AWOL a little bit for about a week, so I just want to give you an update on where I'm at. As a lot of you know, if you got me on Facebook, if you don't have me on Facebook, you got to add me. Link's going to be below in the basement. I haven't been able to do the bike as well as I wanted to. After a couple of days of doing it, my back started to act up and my hamstrings, so someone recommended I do yoga. After doing a couple of poses, I actually ended up displacing a tendon in my knee. So that's kind of putting me back right now, so I'm trying to rehab that first. I'm not 100% sure where the whole bike ride is going to take me right now, but I'll figure something out and I'll start riding as soon as I can. Secondly, as far as footage goes, another thing that I'm interested in is Castle Island has this twilight viewing. It's from 7 p.m. to dusk, and you can go inside the fortress and kind of do your own walk around, and that's where I feel like I'd be able to get the best footage for you guys, so I'm going to try to do that either this Thursday or a Thursday coming up soon. Also, this Saturday, I have another little adventure for you for another
The buyout, I'ma try and snoop style out. Sick of walking home, I'm getting high. Take the fly route, keep an eye out as we slide to my hideout. You don't have to worry, girl, your man will never find out.